Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to keep your monitor turned on for a longer time. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in my laptop screen. Now I'll go to this search bar and search for power options and hit enter. You can see I am here in power options and over here you can see screen on battery power. That means when charger is not plugged in, our screen is gonna turn off on this time. So if you wanna make it longer, you can choose 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, 1 hour or even never from here. Now I'll go with 10 minutes. Also when plugged in on charger, you can select from here. I'll make it to around 20 minutes. Okay, so you can see here I have increased my screen time from here. Also you can change when the laptop is on battery, when the laptop goes on sleep. You can increase it as per your choice. I'll go to 20 and 45 minutes. You can see this is on battery, that is when there is no charger plugged in. And this is when charger is plugged in. So in this way we can increase the monitor screen time on laptop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.